Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So after picking that painting, that Stacy Cordell one, the bigger one, the 10 by 20 for the appreciation giveaway, that thing is so pretty. I just decided I want to try again, but I'm going to use different colors. And this time I'm going with 3 colors instead of 2. No, I used 3 before because I used Burnt Umber, Payne's Gray, and Phthalo Blue. So this time I'm using Cerulean Blue, Magenta, and that Tart Apple that's made by Craftsmart that I think is so pretty. And this is going to be a pour over, as you can tell. This canvas is bigger. It's a 12 by 24. So I need about 10 ounces, 10 or 11 ounces. And so I'm going to layer a whole lot of white with a very little tiny bit of color. And I mean tiny. When I say tiny, I mean totally tiny. So, and these are not the thinnest paints in the world because I like for these to have a little more oomph to them. I think I'm going to start out with the blue. And this is a little thinner that, you know, maybe a little bit thinner than the white. I can't tell. Very tiny, tiny, tiny amounts. Hope enough, have enough white in this thing. If I don't, I've got more mixed up. So that one was just right. Floated just right. Just going to pour this right on top of that. Hopefully this will come out looking a little bit like a flower garden. Of course, it may not. With the sky. A little blue for the sky. A little green and magenta for flowers. I'm going to have to go get some more paint. Let's see where I am here. I'm not quite up to 10. I'm at 8. A little more blue. It could have been a little thinner. Okay, I'm going to pause you all and go get some more paint. Okay. Tiny, tiny amounts. Let's see what happens. Hope I get that layered kind of look that I got before. Shadowy, layered look. Let's see where I am. Almost up to 12. I'm going to cover this up a little bit, so just a little bit. And I did a flip cut before, so I wish I'd have sprayed this with Blaster, but never mind. Move these cups. My water. Put the lid on my paint. I don't know where I put my tweezers. Hope I don't need them. Okay, I'm going to do this like I did before. I had to watch my own video to see how I did it before. Like my green sunk. As soon as it dries up enough, I'm going to go to Home Depot and get some particle board cut to put on this table top instead of using closet doors, which are bifold doors, and that's why everything is uneven here. It's because they hump up in the middle. So alrighty, let's see what we get here. I'll pop some bubbles. Hopefully you all can see this. Uh-oh, dropped it off. Dropped it off. Got some color in the middle. I don't want to lose all that color. I'll spread it over here a little bit. Seems like it's all right in here. Put. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back down some, stretch that out some. Have a little blob right in the middle that is like a solid piece of, looks like that cerulean. These colors are pretty. Look at all that paint I had on my hand. All right, paint. Come on down. These are pretty colors. I just wish maybe now this time I'd put a little bit more of the colors in there, but you know, I can always do another one. Tilt that right off that edge. Now I need to bring it back so it's more scattered out. I have plenty of paint, that's for sure. Okay. This is definitely going to be a minimal design. And I don't have as much of that shadowy kind of look as I would like to have had. I got paint on my sleeve. A little chilly down here in the basement. We had a cold front come through with a lot of rain. It's what we call dogwood winter, where I'm from. Then, whenever the blackberries bloom, there'll be blackberry winter. We'll get another cold snap. Cover that corner right there because it's a little bare. Very minimal. Have a little dot of color, so I'm going to try to blend that a little bit right in there. And same right in there. Still have some on the canvas, and I see just a little bit of shadow right in here. So I think I'm going to tilt it this way, because this has very little going on right there. So need to get some more of this off the canvas, I think. I like this. I mean, some people would probably think this is nothing because it's not all bright and, you know, contrasting colors and all that kind of stuff, but I love these kinds. They're different. Let's see, am I getting anything dripping off over there? Yeah, starting to. Look underneath the bottom. Can see it. Okay, I like that better. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Pretty. Not like everybody else's, but that's okay. We all need to do our own individual thing. If I had a tiny little canvas, I'd do a dip in here. I'd put some paint on it and do a dip, but I don't think I have a tiny little canvas. Okay, let me show it to you like this. I got light coming in through the window, blind over there. But this is how it looks without any reflection from the light. As you can see, there's some color in there. Very faint, very subtle. I think my camera's trying to adjust to that reflection or something. And then up in here, that was like in the center of the cup more, I guess. Seems like I got a little more color. It kind of swoops. I kind of like this. Like, you know, I could have gone with a little more color. I'm not saying that I couldn't. And I popped a bunch of bubbles. And actually, it still has quite a bit of paint on the surface. So I just don't want to tilt off like any of this. I mean, it's not flashy. So if you're looking for flashy, this is not it. But I do think that I like this. So thanks for watching.